What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Juice video. My name is Soul State, and today we are going to talk about the Jordan 2 J Balvins. I know I've been gone for a bit. I am back now because we have got to discuss this shoe. Okay, guys? Just before we get into it, just know all the resale info in this video is provided by Juiced. If you guys need any reselling help at all, check out Juiced. Link down there in the description. Also, if you guys want to stay up to date on all of these releases like the Jordan 2 J Balvin, be sure to follow me on Twitter at SoulState1, Instagram at SoulStateSneakers, and then all of Juice socials are linked down in the description as well. Let's talk about these Jordan 2 J Balvin. Now, when we look at the Jordan 2 Retro J Balvins, I have to admit, my opinion has changed a little bit. If you guys remember, in a video that I made at the beginning of this month, talking about all of the shoes that are releasing in September, we discussed the Jordan 2 J Balvin in that video, and it did not receive very high remark from me. I just didn't think it was a very good resale shoe. I still don't, and I'll tell you why later in this video. But let's look at design first, okay? The design of the Jordan 2 J Balvin is pretty nice. I gotta admit, chat, I like this shoe, okay? Comment down below what you guys think about the Jordan 2 J Balvins, but I actually like this shoe, man. I think it's a really good shoe, and the design is really, really clean. This cloud look and everything is just really nice. This nice light blue color, I think it's really extremely wearable, which is the biggest critique I had about the Air Jordan 1 J Balvin. Look at this shoe compared to this. Which one is more wearable? This is a tough wear, I feel like, for anyone. All the different colors that you have on this shoe, all the different little cutout things that look like you cut it with the little scissors. You guys remember whenever we were in like second grade and we had the little scissors that had like little teeth on them that you cut with, and it made you feel cool, so you always use those little scissors to cut with? It looks like that's what happened to this shoe. I wasn't crazy about that. I was not crazy about the colors that they used on it. I get it for some people, but overall, I just don't like the shoe. I don't think it's a very wearable shoe, and I feel like for a collaboration, they could have done much better with the design. But from a resale perspective, I mean, look at the prices, guys. You know, last few sales, we're talking $450, $500 on some of these for a size 10. That's great. $190 retail with a $450 to $475 resale price is amazing. So what makes us think that the Jordan 2 J Balvin is going to be any different than the Air Jordan 1 J Balvin? One very important reason, a couple minor ones. So let's talk about them. The Jordan 2 J Balvin, I'm not high on its resale value. There are two main reasons why. The first reason, it's Jordan 2, right? What is one of the best Jordan 2 colorways that you can even think of? To me, maybe like the Jordan 2 Off-Whites, maybe? I don't know, even that's a stretch, but it's just one of the most recent ones that I can think about. For example, don't look at prices on this one, right? It's just the most recent Jordan 2 that I thought about. Let's take a look at this one. This is one of the most iconic Jordan 2 colorways, okay? Released in 2014, Jordan 2 White Red Retro. This is one of the best Jordan 2s out there. $150 retail. Last sale though, $318. I know that's an outlier compared to all the other sales, but still, this is one of the most iconic Jordan 2s, and these are the numbers that it's doing. And it's taken it 8 years to get to this point. I mean, if you look at sales from really up until 2020, talking $250, you know, something like that, $100 over retail. That's not good enough in my opinion if that is one of your most iconic colorways. That is a big reason that I think the Jordan 2 J Balvins are going to struggle, is because simply it's a Jordan 2, right? So that is one of the big reasons, but the biggest reason that I think the Air Jordan 2 J Balvin is going to struggle on the resale market. Let me zoom in for you guys. This part right here. Retail price of $300. $300 for a Jordan 2. I understand it's a collaboration. Shoes that have $300 resales or retails are like Yeezy foam runners, or not Yeezy foam runners, the Yeezy wave runners back in the day. You guys remember whenever the Yeezy wave runners first came out? $300 retail. People were like, oh, $300. And then they resold for $450, $500 consistently. These, on the other hand, I don't know that we'll see that. A $300 retail for a below average collaboration, in my opinion. Not the biggest name on the market. It's not a Jordan 2 Travis Scott. The Jordan 2 J Balvin. I mean, what can we really expect? Resale prices are doing decent right now, but obviously they've been falling pretty rapidly just over the past couple days as the release date nears. I don't think that the Jordan 2 J Balvin is going to have tremendous resale value. Price may look good. It may resell for $400, $450, but at a $300 retail, and this being one of the biggest Jordan 2 collaborations, at least that I can think of in recent memory, I don't think that's good. I don't think that selling on an app and making $40 after fees, I don't think we should consider that the mark. Now, agreed, you're still making money, but I mean, you could do that just by going to pick up a pair of shoes from Marshalls and reselling them on StockX or on GOAT or on eBay. So if that's the bar for the Jordan 2 J Balvin, is it really worth it to tie up $300 in this shoe? My opinion is no. Now, I think design-wise, once again, this Jordan 2 is one of the best I've ever seen. I think this collaboration, compared to the first one, hands down, way better. Resale-wise, not on the same level. The Jordan 1 cost $110 less than this. And it's a Jordan 1. People love Jordan 1s. Jordan 2s, when was the last time you remember people going crazy about a Jordan 2? It wasn't a major collaboration. I think for this release, the advice is very, very simple. I don't think it's a bad idea to get some pairs, but I think if you're trying to get pairs and you expect to have the margins like you did on the Jordan 1s, kidding yourself. I think this shoe is a 6 to 8 month hold minimum. And even at that, I think best you're gonna do $425 or $450. So if you're willing to tie up that amount of money for 8 months and miss out on some upcoming releases, then maybe this is a shoe to go for you. If you're looking for a pair for just personal, I 1000% respect that, and you should go for it. Even if I didn't care for the colorway, what you wear is up to you, man. Not some random guy on the internet. So whenever the Jordan 2 J Balvin's release later this week, just remember, it's a good shoe to go for, but don't expect it to have the resale value that the Jordan 1s had. The retail price, simply just too high. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We have a packed week of videos coming for you guys this week. Today, we talked about the Jordan 2 J Balvin. Tomorrow, we're going to talk about the shoe that broke the camel's back, the Addy Foam Quakes. The shoe that made Kanye lose his mind, say he's done with corporation. We're going to talk about that tomorrow. On Thursday, we're going to have a Kit 3 Stock stream that night at 8 p.m. Central. Be here for that. On Friday, we're going to talk about Kanye. We're going to talk about his strategy moving forward and how moving forward, Kanye versus the world. And I am very excited to see what happens. And then on Saturday, I'm going to show you guys some of the shoes that I'm holding in my current inventory, including Adidas slides or Yeezy slides. Basically Adidas slides at this point. Yeezy foam runners, maybe a pair of Addy Foam Quakes, some new dunks that I got in. We have a lot of stuff coming this week. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to like this video. Check out the channel membership program. We are revising it now. You guys will get access to a ton of cool stuff. Hit that join button down below. It's only $4.99 a month. Be sure to follow the socials that I listed down below. I hope I see you guys tomorrow on the next video. This is Soul State from Juiced, signing out. Have a great rest of your day, guys. See you tomorrow.